Which vehicle is used to carry cement on construction sites? Which vehicle is commonly used to explore deep oceans? Which vehicle is used to lift cars in a garage? Which vehicle is used to move luggage at airports? Which vehicle is used to spray crops on farms? Which vehicle is used for desert racing? Which vehicle can carry oil across oceans? Which vehicle is used by garbage collectors? Which vehicle is used for mountain rescue? Which vehicle is designed for city commuting? Which vehicle is used for logging forests? Which vehicle is used to move shipping containers in ports? Which vehicle is used to explore caves underwater? Which vehicle is used in motocross racing? Which vehicle is designed for police patrol in cities? Which vehicle is used to clean city streets? Which vehicle is used to deliver pizza quickly? Which vehicle is used for snow rescue missions? Which vehicle is used for luxury travel on water? Which vehicle is designed for formula racing? Which vehicle is used in monster truck shows? Which vehicle is used to transport horses? Which vehicle is used to transport astronauts? Which vehicle is used to move cargo inside warehouses? Which vehicle is used in airport runway maintenance? Which vehicle is commonly used for camping trips? Which vehicle is used for underwater tourism? Which vehicle is used for off-road sand racing? Which vehicle is used to transport livestock? Which vehicle is used to tow airplanes? Which vehicle is used in rally racing? Which vehicle is used in space exploration missions? Which vehicle is used to transport construction workers? Which vehicle is used to clear fallen trees from roads? Which vehicle is used for underwater scientific research?